Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the middle of August and we'll see what is there for you in the middle of the month. Alright, so let's see for my Pisces, what do they have? Let's see now. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see now. Last shuffle please. For my Pisces, let's see. All right, so let's see. So your energies right now is the Four of Wands. I'm seeing that you are quite positive right now. There is no such of a negativity, okay? But the issue is Six of Wands. So this might be and this might be ego clashes between someone, with whom you are not talking, with whom you are not there's some kind of that thing where it might be you, it might be them as well, anyone, any situation, in whichever you are. So it's like that you have achieved everything, so you have got everything in your life, but somewhere there is something like now I am successful, I am this, I am that. So that I factor is coming up over here. Okay, I'm seeing that, so we'll clarify. But on your head, it's the Knight of Wands. You are very fiery right now. You are like you're moving on, you are moving fast, and you are very passionate in whatever you are doing. So I'm not seeing a very bad energy in your side, but we'll clarify. So your past, I'm seeing with the Ace of Pentacles, something was there, some kind of a new stable relationship, some kind of a new thing, new situation was there, which was actually looking very pleasant, very stable, and that is why that pleasant thing is actually coming up as a very beautiful. But whatever the issue is, see, things are fine, but sometimes the words matter a lot. So that is what is happening in your present. In the future, I'm seeing the Knight of Cups. So it's like that whatever I just told you about the words things, it's actually coming up in a very good way. Like if you really want to talk to someone or talk to a situation, talk to someone regarding a situation, so it's coming up really nice. We'll see what it is. The Justice is here in the reason of the reading. So there is some kind of a balance, some kind of a justice which was required in a situation. Like to someone it was injustice and to someone it was justice, something like that. So we'll see. Emperor is there, and what you want something, and you are very determined in that thing. Whatever is that thing, you are like, no, I want this. You are stern in your decision. You are very much. People around you or the environment around you is Three of Swords. So if it is like that, if you are not able to trust people around you, it's fine, because they are not really trustworthy right now. The environment is telling you, the universe is telling you that with the Four of Cups, the message is that if you are, sometimes we actually receive some good advice from good people around us. Sometimes it's our parents, sometimes it's some of our friend as well. They advise us. So I think basically the universe is telling you that if you are able to trust some person, because people around you are not so trustworthy, but still if you are able to get some some kind of a good advice or knowledge, like reading books, whatever, wherever you can find some knowledge, just grasp that. All right, do not be the one who will not accept the things. The Hermit in your overall outcome. So I'm seeing that you are seeking some balance over here. More than balance, I'm seeing that you are going into your mode where you really need some soul searching, as well as you need some kind of, you really need to do some research. So with this card in the universe giving you a message, I'm seeing that you are taking that message. Whosoever is helping you as a guide or something, you are taking that help from someone like that. Let's see now, let's clarify, why is this Four of Wands over here? Why is the Four of Wands in the energy of my Pisces? What energy is this Four of Wands? Why is it here? Eight of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Okay, so wherever you are right now, you have really worked hard for that thing, for that situation, for that relationship. I'm seeing that you gave a lot in this particular situation. You worked hard, you gave your time, your energies, you gave that love, you gave your 100% in this thing. But did you receive that thing? Let's see. Why is the Six of Wands here in the issue read the week? Seven of Swords. All right, the Chariot. All right, so the problem was, yes, the ego was a problem. Ego clashes I'm seeing over here. More than that, somebody was deceptive in nature. Somebody just, where you were giving your 100% to someone, and the other person or the other situation was not actually the same with you. It was like more of a deceptive energy, where the other person was being sneaky, just left you, or just like, okay, I'm coming back, okay, wait for me, and they just left and they never returned. So that kind of a situation. So, and they were in a very positive, they were like, the situation was like, you never thought that it would ever happen. They just move out from your life, from your thing, from everything, and you were just working, you were waiting, you were working, you were giving your 100% in the situation. Might be a marriage as well for some of you. All right, so let's see what's in your head. Knight of Wands, Five of Swords, what else? Seven of Pentacles, anything else? Knight of Rods again. So I'm seeing that you are waiting for an answer, or you are waiting for, basically you are waiting, you want an answer, like, because your mind is really fiery right now. Your mind is like waiting for something. See, waiting for an answer, or waiting for some kind of a thing, basically. Whatever this situation is, you want it, and now you're not turning your back. You want the answer, and you really, that is why you are very disciplined. You are very stern in your energies. You want it now. Whatever this thing is, you want to know the whole situation. Either you are waiting for this, or you are tired of waiting from a long time, but it's like, now I really want the answer. Let's see, why is the Ace of Pentacles in the past energies? Page of Cups, the Two of Cups. So somebody in your life, somebody just popped up, and it was looking like it was really stable, but it was, because it is a twin flame. Two of Cups, it's your soulmate person, or the situation in whichever you are. It was really stable, everything was going fine, you were doing your good, but I'm seeing the other person, or the situation was in which you were in, the situation made everything bad. and bad to worse. But your side, I'm seeing that it was a lot of love, a lot of responsibility, a lot of caring nature, love, care. What else is here? All the positive. Just gather all the positive words by yourself. I'm seeing that you had a lot. Okay. Okay, so I will see why is the justice over here in your. Okay, the lovers. All right. So the reason of the reading is justice, the high priestess, and the lovers. So this is, I'm feeling that the choices which were made in your life, either you made some choice or the other person made a choice. It was like, it just happened. And somebody had to make a choice because something was like, this is regarding that thing, where you don't want to do something but you had to do something. That kind of a thing is that. With the high priestess, intuition tells something else and what you are doing is something else, because all three are really major arcanas. So this is really major in your life. This was not just a little something. No, it was really major. So Two of Cups and Lovers coming up over here. So this relationship or the situation is really like, not going to just become, oh my god. So it's like the glue, you're attached by the glue over here. All right, let's see why the Knight of Cups over here. King of Pentacles. What else? Okay, so I'm seeing some kind of a conversation or some kind of a talk, or clarity is coming up and things are going to be really stable after this talk. So whomsoever you are waiting for or whatever situation you are in, because you gave a lot of you give your 100% over here, the other person was not trustworthy. All right, but you are going to talk to this person, with whomsoever, with whatever situation you are in, and things really will go, they will just go like you would not even expect how things are. You might even expect that things might go worse, but things will not go worse. Things will be fine. Okay, so let's see why the Emperor. Okay, so I know the Emperor, why the Emperor is here. So we know that this is something which is regarding your own self. So you are very disciplined in this. People around you, already that they are not good. But let's clarify it once again. The people around. Two of Wands. Okay, so they might also be some kind of confusion might be there as well. Inside, yeah, the Hangman again. Okay, so the people around you or the environment around you, so they were deceptive. So I'm seeing that somebody just left you, some kind of situation, you were left out in a situation. But sometimes you don't know the other end story. So I'm seeing that they are also in some kind of situation over here, where they are not taking rest, they are just analyzing what is happening in their life. So if you are like thinking like I want an answer, so I think they are ready to give an answer. They're not running from that. They are just waiting for a perfect timing. Okay, let's see Four of Cups, why the Four of Cups is here. And the Eight of Cups and Ten of Wands. So the environment, the universe is telling you that don't leave the situation. I don't know why, but universe is telling you things will come in your favor. So do not try to reject things. don't try. If some universe is sending you some kind of hints, accept. Just try to listen to the hints, try to listen to the moves of the universe. Whatever universe is telling you to do, try to listen to the answers. All right, let's see the Hermit over here in the overall outcome. Temperance, wow. What else do we have? And Three of Cups. So the overall outcome is, I'm seeing that there is a reconciliation with a person. If you are dealing with a past person, there is a reconciliation over here. With that, there is a lot of balance. You have, you are coming with a very different energy, a very mature, a very balanced kind of energy, where a person just seeks balance and soul searching. You might be even doing some kind of meditation as well, yoga, and all those mindful activities. That is what, because you want peace at the end and you want happiness, I'm seeing. Alright, so that's all, Pisces. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.